Hi guys, it's Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to do a little yard cleanup. I need to weed eat. I cut my grass and never weed eat. And the grass is growing up too high, so I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to check for bugs on my squash plants and maybe harvest some stuff. I know I got a cucumber I need to harvest and probably some green beans. Yeah, and that's it. So stick around and stay tuned. Desert. Cut this bucket. I'm gonna cut these stems off. I'm gonna save my dirt. I'm gonna get some of these roots back to the earth. But so much for that. I'm gonna fertilize this. Give it some compost. And put something else in here. That's it. Let's get some heads up for these carrots. Heads up. The grass is going green. You really can't use them, but the ones that's already green, the ones that's still white, the seeds ain't formed in them yet. I don't reckon. We'll see when they dry out. What we get. So I'm gonna save this whole bucket of them. Here. Got a whole bucket. That's it. Well, let's finish this bed with some homemade compost. Let me go get that. Uno momento. My camera gonna get hot, but this is my Roman organic compost. Just pull it down. Mix it in, and then I'll go get some mushroom compost. The garage. Just take it there. This ain't really ready. That's it. Alright. Got my mushroom compost. sure I put some around this cucumber over here. And this Savoy cabbage. And around this tomato. We know what this tomato is. Got the wrong tag on it. But it is a, what is it? Dr. Rachel, I think. That was something else. Like a turkey purple. I think that's what it is, honestly. Yep, it's a turkey purple. Okay. And that's it. That's all we are doing. And this bed, it's gonna rain. So we let it rain. And then we're planting it in 2 days. Give it 2 days. But Dr. White, some red mustard greens, that's some lettuce. This is the Savoy cabbage that got bugs all on it. This is a Armenian cucumber, and this is a mystery tomato that I am going to move because I think it's a cherry, because that's what was right here last year. I'm going to put it back there and put some peppers, something in here, carrots, tomatoes, something. Right. Had a bunch of volunteer tomatoes here, so I'm trying to wait to see what they are because I didn't pull any stuff up that I don't want, because I don't want a bunch of those. Which are those? Can't remember the name of them until I look at them. Pearl. So they have fruit on them. This one has fruit on it, but we've been getting so much rain that they don't look good. All the leaves look horrible because too much rain. Too much rain. Also got leaf miners and nasturtiums, but the eggplant is growing, getting big since I pulled up the garlic. The green beans look good. These are supposed to be pole beans, but they're bush because they ain't went up this, climbed up this thing a bit. We do have a cucumber. That's the third one. I'm gonna get that before I go in the house. But we got a bunch more coming, a bunch more flowers, and it's all the way almost to the top. So that's good. I don't see any other big ones. So we'll see what we get. It's not liking all this rain, but it is what it is. So anyway, thanks for stopping by my channel. Got this fan on, you probably can hear it, but I'm not turning it off, I'm about to die. Anyway, thanks for stopping by my channel. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you have any questions, please leave them below. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye-bye.